Welcome to the ever-evolving world of consumer psychology, where understanding the intricate behaviors and preferences of consumers is essential for brands aiming to connect deeply and effectively with their audiences. Let's explore the trends, insights, and influences shaping consumer decisions today. In a world of ands, consumers are balancing cost-saving measures with selective indulgences. While 66% opt for cheaper brands, 44% still pursue premium experiences, seeking immediate gratification. The omnichannel experience is crucial, yet only 25% are satisfied with current offerings. Brands like Starbucks, seamlessly integrating mobile and in-store experiences, set the standard for customer loyalty. Despite growth in big brands, brand promiscuity is rising, especially among Gen Z and millennials, who seek novel and innovative products. Sustainability is vital, with 84% considering it essential. Yet, economic pressures challenge consumers' willingness to pay premiums, urging brands to balance eco-friendly practices with cost-effectiveness. Digital platforms now dominate decision-making, with 65% researching online before buying. Strong digital presence through SEO and influencer marketing is key to building trust. Economic challenges are shifting focus towards local businesses. Empathetic and sustainable brands are likely to secure long-term loyalty. D2C models empower brands to control pricing and customer relationships. Brands like Casper and Allbirds thrive by offering personalized, value-driven experiences. Economic constraints and sustainability concerns boost secondhand shopping, with a 21% rise in conversations. Brands can capitalize on this by promoting eco-friendly, affordable alternatives. The future of consumer engagement lies in personalization and predictive analytics. AI and machine learning help brands tailor experiences, boosting engagement and loyalty. The phygital experience blends online and offline shopping. With 65% researching online before in-store purchases, seamless integration across channels is critical. Despite economic limits, ethical consumption remains key. Brands demonstrating genuine sustainability will attract environmentally conscious consumers. The rise of the circular economy and resale markets offers brands a chance to meet demands for sustainable practices, fostering consumer loyalty. Generational differences necessitate tailored strategies. While Gen Z values digital engagement and authenticity, older generations prioritize brand loyalty. Emerging technologies like AR, VR, and voice search are transforming consumer interactions. Brands integrating these will offer immersive, personalized experiences. In a world of ands, consumers seek value and quality, sustainability and affordability. Brands embracing this duality and adapting to shifts will thrive in tomorrow's marketplace. Thank you for joining us on this journey through consumer psychology. Stay connected with Arenzic for more insights and strategies to navigate this ever-changing landscape.